Hi, I'm Connie. It's Free Motion by the River. I did day 14 and the audio didn't work. So I'm just going to show you what was in here. I may just, I don't know, add this to the other video. But there was from Soft Squares, there was 6 coordinating back quarters. And they are beautiful. They'd be perfect for like a baby quilt. See all the colors? Love those. Like a periwinkle. Really goes with that one. And that's a teal. And the value of these was $18. That was from Soft Squares. 14. This was the day from Missouri Star Quilt Company. These are beautiful. These are 2 ornaments. Put on your Christmas tree. They're ceramic. They're beautiful. And of course, I say Missouri Star Quilt Company on the back. I do love those. So those are beautiful. So that was what was day 14. Thank you.